I feel like your conditioning is your limiting factor. Whether you're struggling to maintain match fitness, your 5k PB time doesn't seem to be improving, or you just struggle with running because you've never had the ability to run. Well, yeah, I've struggled too. Didn't you used to cope and say you were big S and small C, but in reality you just couldn't be bothered with your conditioning even though you knew what you needed to do? Whoa, we don't need to be pointing fingers here. Yes, I've struggled, but I don't struggle anymore until I followed these key simple steps that allow me to take my conditioning to the next level. Let me show you.
Could have been certain.
But before we jump into those, we need to understand the very energy systems we use and how to improve them. Now, most of us has been in a hybrid car, part petrol, part electric. When it goes faster, there's more contribution from the petrol side, and then when it's at a steady pace, there's more of a contribution from the electric side. That's exactly how our energy systems work. Now, specifically, our three main energy systems are aerobic glycolysis, using oxygen for producing work, anaerobic glycolysis, work produced without oxygen, and then our ATP PC system, which underpins high intensity explosive short burst actions, all contributing at the same time to create the total energy at a given action. However, one key element I haven't mentioned is waste byproduct lactate, which gets produced as a response to anaerobic glycolysis, working without oxygen. The better we have at dealing with this increase within our bloods and the ability to slow down build-up of lactate will allow us to work harder for longer. Now, how can we work on the different energy systems and improve them? To improve your aerobic capacity, running from around 90 to 110 minutes per week at 65 to 70% of your maximum heart rate, really going to help improve your running economy, utilizing oxygen more efficiently. For the anaerobic threshold, looking at 70 to 80% of your maximum heart rate, and this includes things like tempos and intervals, which typically are 4 to 5 to 1 work to rest ratio, whereas the VO to max, that upper limit is 85 plus maximum heart rate, and you're looking at a 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 work to rest ratio with accumulated durations of 3 to 6 minutes per set. And that's conditioning 101. I'll see you tomorrow.